What's up, guys? We're going to do a follow-up on our oil catch can on the GTI here. So we can just unscrew our little dipstick. And it looks like it's got some stuff. The level's up about here. You can wipe it off and do a fresh dip. Yeah, so it's full to about here, it looks like. So let's have a look. Ooh, milkshake. It looks like our oil catch can is doing its job. There you go. So it's, I don't know, about 2/3 full. That is emulsion. Looks like a lot of moisture. So this car usually sees about 15-minute drives on the highway to about half-hour drives on the highway. It's been super cold lately, so minus 25, minus 30 degrees Celsius. This has been about a month of driving since I put the catch can in, so I guess that gives us a time or point of reference on checking that catch can, and then we just dump this out. Oh yeah, that's a lot of moisture condensation. Not too much oil, lots of moisture. Cool. Done like dinner.